The lion announced that he was very sick and asked the animals to come and see him one last time. So the animals decided that only one of them will pay a visit to lion's cave. First the goat went into the lion's cave and did not came back. Then sheep went in and did not came back. The calf also went into the cave to visit the lion and did not came back. There was a clever fox in the forest. When his friend was getting missing, he started having doubt on lions. So one day he went to lion's cave. The fox did not enter the cave. The lion was sitting in front of his cave. The lion saw the fox, who had been waiting outside for some time. Why do not come to pay your respect to me? Said the lion to the fox. Please excuse me, said the fox. I noticed all of the animals that have already come into the visit you. I see many hooves mark going in, but I see none coming out. I know that you have killed them. Now I will tell all the animals about you in this trap. The fox went and told the animal forest that pay visit to lion's cave only if you did not love to live. The animals stopped paying visit the lion's cave, and soon the lion died to the hunger.